everyone, my name is Matthew. Today, we're gonna teach you how to make the egg muffins. Egg muffins are good for breakfast on the go. When you have a really tight schedule and you don't have time, you can just grab one and then go on your way to work. Without further ado, I'll teach you how to make it. Let's go over with the ingredients. There's eggs, there's cooked pulled pork, there's cheddar cheese, milk, salt and pepper, and then chopped chives. First, you heat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you prepare the muffin tin by lining it with the silicone baking cups. And then you have to spray it with this. The recipe is very quick and easy. Just mix the eggs and the milk together and then you whisk them until it's combined. After you mix the milk and the eggs together, the next step is to put the pulled pork, some pepper and salt, and then 3/4 of a cup of cheddar cheese. After you mix the cheddar cheese, the milk, the pork, and salt and pepper together, the next step is to bring the muffin tin closer and then pour 1/4 a cup The next step is to pour the shredded cheddar cheese individually into each of the muffins. I'm gonna put only half of the chives into the muffins because I don't like it. Now, the next step is to put it in the oven for 20 minutes or until the center turns brown. After 20 minutes, this is the result. Although it looks good, it's still too hot to eat. We have to wait for it to cool down for another 10 minutes. After you let it cool down for 10 minutes, it's time to enjoy. And here's our guest, my brother. Very good. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.